Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of electric potential and capacitance. The question here is 4 charges plus q, minus q and minus q are placed respectively at the corners A, B, C and D of a square of side A. Arranged in given order, calculate the electric potential at the center O if E and F are the midpoints of side BC and CD respectively. What will be the work done in carrying a charge E from O to E and from O to F? So first of all, we see what is given to us and what we can have from the diagram. So we are given Q1 is equals to plus Q, Q2 is equals to plus Q, Q3 is equals to minus Q and Q4 is also equals to minus Q. Now in diagram we are having square ABCD of side A and this is center O. Then at A charge is Q1, that is plus Q, at B charge is plus Q, at C charge is minus Q and at D charge is minus Q. Now the side is A, BC is equals to A and CD is equals to A. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, BD square is equals to BC square plus CD square, that is equals to A square plus A square, which is equals to 2A square. Therefore, BD is equals to A root 2. Now we want to find out electric potential at center. So we need distance BO, which is equals to AO, which is equals to OD, which is equals to OC, which we are taking R, that is equals to half of BD. So that becomes A by root 2. So the value of R we are having. So now in this case, we are also given point E is midpoint of BC. This is point E. This is midpoint of BC and this is point F, which is midpoint of CD. So first of all, we see the formula for potential. Potential is calculated by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. This is the general formula. Now we look for solution. Now at the center of square, total potential will be equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon AO plus Q upon BO minus Q upon CO minus Q upon DO. AO, BO, CO and DO all are equals to R. So V is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q plus Q minus Q upon R. So this Q gets cancelled with this Q gets cancelled with this. Hence the potential at O, this is potential at O, comes out to be 0. This was the first part. Now for second part, we want to find out potential at point E. Now for that, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon AE plus Q upon BE minus Q upon CE minus Q upon DE. From figure, from figure, we can see that AE is equals to CE and BE is equals to DE. So from figure we had seen AE is equals to DE and BE is equals to CE. Therefore potential at E is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Now Q upon AE and DE are equal, so these gets cancel. And BE and CE are equal, so this also gets cancelled, so into 0. Therefore potential at E is also equals to 0. So therefore work done in carrying a charge from O to E. What is the formula for work done? Formula for work done is work done W is equals to charge into potential difference. So work done in carrying a charge from O to E, given charge is E and potential difference, potential at E minus potential at O, that is equals to E 0 minus 0, so work done is 0. So this is the portion that was asked, work done in from O to E. Now we find potential at F. Now potential at F will be given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon AF plus Q upon BF minus Q upon CF minus Q upon DF. Now in this part from figure again we can see that AF is equals to BF and CF is equals to DF. So we can write potential at F is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2Q 1 upon AF minus 1 upon CF. Now we want to find the value of AF and CF. Now from the diagram, AF is equals to under root A square plus A by 2 whole square, that is equals to A root 5 by 2, and CF is equals to A by 2. Therefore, potential at F is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2Q 2 upon A root 5 minus 2 upon A. On solving this, we get potential at F is equals to Q upon pi epsilon 0 A bracket 1 upon root 5 minus 1. Now we find out work done in carrying charge from O to F, that is equals to charge into potential difference, that is equals to E potential at F minus potential at O. We know that potential at O is 0, so this is equals to E into Q upon pi epsilon 0 A 1 upon root 5 minus 1. So now we write the answers. Our answers will be potential at O is equals to 0. Work done in carrying charge from O to E is equals to 0. And work done in carrying charge from O to F is equals to QE upon pi epsilon 0 A bracket 1 upon root 5 minus 1. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.